The subject of this video is the Office 365 Admin mobile app. Along the top you can see quick actions. You can reset a password. Select a user and reset. You can assign a license. You can add a user. You can add a user to a group. Along the quick links, you can look at the users, see all the details about their account, carry out various actions. And then there's groups. You can edit the group, edit the members, view the members. It's quite a bit of power in the mobile app. It makes phone security quite mandatory. And we go back to billing. You can see what's going on with your billing, your licensing. And we can go into settings. We can see all the settings for the tenant. I think with this app, you would need some pretty strict policies around phones and securing them. Then we can look at health. So at the bottom right, you can see the health. You can dive into health alerts, keep on top of what's happening with the tenant. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Quick tutorial. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.